Hi everyone, this is an energy read for now going into next week. So I've pulled two cards, as you can see. Both are cups, which is water, which represents emotions. So it shows here a current challenge, and then the second card, 10 of Cups, a more positive outcome ahead. So let's start with the 9 of Cups. Now, it is reversed. Usually when it's not reversed, this is a really positive card. But this here, I feel, is showing a toxic situation you may be in. So when it's upright, he's happy. He's surrounded by full cups, representing things that he's worked for and earned by giving from the heart. But here, someone's come and turned it all upside down, and everything he'd worked for and really deserved has just been disregarded. So the message here is that it's not this person or his fault, but the perpetrators of this situation may make out that he is the problem and that he deserved it, and this is not true. So there's power, control, jealousy, gaslighting as well going on here. It just feels very sad and bitter and like he's just shocked that they've done this. So there's a lot of disillusionment with this card. However, we do move on to something more positive that comes after this situation. On the right, we've got the 10 of Cups upright, which is a very positive card. This indicates that the situation will improve. It's the card of complete emotional well-being and satisfaction and a celebration of that. You can see in the picture here, they're celebrating. So, message is, you deserve to live and embody this 10 of Cups energy. Don't lose confidence or let the other people make you think you don't deserve it. So you should feel calm and not stressed. You should feel positive and not negative, and hopeful for the future and not worried. So an exercise you could do is looking into the card, and you can look into this picture of the card and visualize stepping into it and see the colors and hear the sounds you would hear. Feel the temperature, feel the weather, and then feel the emotions of this scene, this situation. And then think about how your body feels. And look around for who else is there and what do they say. And as you're doing this, allow your frequency to rise to the level of this card. It's a very high frequency card. And then step back out of the card in your visualization and maintain that high frequency. And then use that to rise above this other situation. So they're the messages from the cards. Another message I got was very simply that Spirit is very close now and trying to help. They know you're in this situation. So whether it's departed friends or family members or someone you were close to, they're doing a lot to support those who need it at the moment. So do look out for things that happen that are extra lucky or helpful or just out of the blue. Also look out for little white feathers. That's often a sign from Spirit that they're close. And what I'm getting is that they're just saying they can help much more quickly and easily from the other side rather than, when they're alive, as on the other side, you don't have all the earthly preoccupations that we all have to deal with that takes our energy away from helping others sometimes. So that's the main message today. Just to finish off, and I think the cards tie in with this, remember there are a lot of huge shifts coming in March. So we've got March 7th, which is the full moon in Virgo at 16 degrees of Virgo. In the UK, I know that's at 12:40 p.m., like lunchtime. Then on the 8th of March, we've got Saturn moving into Pisces for the next 3 years. So it's quite a long transit and a big shift. And then, as I've said before, we've got Pluto moving into Aquarius for the start of its journey in Aquarius on the 23rd of March. And we also have equinox on the 21st of March, which is the astrological New Year. So March is going to be a huge month with lots of shifts and changes being triggered, and hopefully it's for the better, and the cards here would suggest so. Okay, everyone, thanks for listening, and I'll talk again soon. Bye-bye.